Welcome to Art with Mr. Z. Today we're going to be learning a fun activity that you can do anywhere. This is something that everybody kind of struggles with, and I'm hoping that we can just kind of take this time to improve our skills with drawing hands. So the nice thing about drawing hands is you've got two of them, and no matter which one you use to draw with, the other one becomes available as a model. So I always recommend using your other hand as a model, and let's see what we can do. So the first thing you want to make sure that you can do is keep your hand really still. And I'm going to basically work from observation. Obviously the camera, my document camera, is seeing things from a slightly different angle than my eyes because my head is back here and the camera is about 6 inches in front of my face. So there's going to be a little bit of difference, but basically what you want to start out doing is trying to capture the outline of what you see. And I like to break the hand into large parts. So the big thing that I'm seeing here is my palm. And I want to just kind of work from observation and try to capture that shape. Once I've done that, I can break it up into smaller shapes or add onto it with the fingers. So let's go up here. And then I'm going to try and make sure I see where that's going. And the pinky is really just coming off of here like that. I have to foreshorten a lot, which means that things are coming toward me. The way that I do this is I kind of find the outline of all the fingers and then I break them up into their smaller pieces. So what I have so far doesn't even look like a hand yet, but it's going to start looking more and more like a hand really quickly as I keep going. I'm finding fingertips and kind of connecting them back to the point where they originate. As I get farther along in the drawing, or further along in the drawing, I want to start to identify the lines that I want to keep and the lines that I want to get rid of. All this messiness here is okay. So there you go, you've got a hand. Once you've finished drawing one hand pose, you can find another and try a different angle so that you can practice doing different sides of your hand and different angles on your fingers. I'm going to do something like that. Note my use of structural lines here. What I'd like you to do is to try to draw two good hands and see what you can come up with.